Digital marketing has significantly transformed the marketing landscape and has become an integral part of many businesses' marketing strategies. While digital marketing has numerous advantages and has gained immense popularity, it is important to note that it does not completely replace traditional marketing. Instead, digital marketing complements and enhances traditional marketing efforts. Here are a few reasons why wide reach. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience through various online channels. It offers the advantage of targeting specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, which traditional marketing methods may struggle to achieve. However, traditional marketing methods, such as billboards, print ads, and TV commercials, can still be effective for reaching specific local audiences. Cost effectiveness. Digital marketing often proves to be more cost-effective compared to traditional marketing. Digital advertising platforms like pay-per-click (PPC) ads and social media ads can provide a higher return on investment (ROI) due to their ability to target specific audiences, track campaign performance, and make data-driven optimizations. However, traditional marketing methods may still be valuable for certain industries or local businesses that have a target market less active online. Interactivity and engagement. Digital marketing offers interactive and engaging methods to connect with customers, such as social media interactions, live chats, and personalized email campaigns. These methods allow for direct engagement and real-time communication, which can build customer relationships and loyalty. Traditional marketing methods lack the same level of interactivity and one-on-one engagement, but they can still create brand awareness and influence purchasing decisions. Integrated approach. Successful marketing strategies often involve an integrated approach that combines both digital and traditional marketing methods. By leveraging the strengths of each, businesses can create a cohesive and comprehensive marketing campaign. For example, a business may use digital marketing to drive online traffic and generate leads, while using traditional marketing methods to enhance brand recognition and support offline sales.